Unlock the secrets to generating hyperrealistic images with Leonardo Ai, transforming your creative visions into breathtaking visual realities. Let's dive straight into crafting your first ultra-realistic masterpiece. Our journey begins with the art of prompt engineering. Think like a photographer and a painter combined. Instead of just saying a cat, be specific, describe the breed. The fur texture, short-haired ginger tabby with soft, slightly ruffled fur. Add details about its environment, sitting on a sun-drenched wooden windowsill. Now let's talk lighting. This is crucial for realism. Use terms like golden hour light, soft diffused window light, dramatic Rembrandt lighting, or rim lighting to sculpt your subject. Mention the direction of the light source from the left likewise. Specify the mood and atmosphere, warm, inviting afternoon lumi *re, or cool, sterile laboratory lighting. Texture is another game changer. Don't just say wood, say weathered oak with visible grain, polished mahogany with a deep sheen, or rough, unvarnished pine for fabrics. Try worn denim with subtle frayed edges, smooth, flowing silk, or coarse, hand-knitted wool. When it comes to style selection in Leonardo Ai, avoid overly stylized or painterly options. If your goal is raw realism, explore models and presets that are explicitly designed for photorealism. Look for terms like photographic, cinematic, or realistic capture. You can also experiment with negative prompts to exclude unwanted elements, like saying no cartoon, no illustration, to steer the AI away from artistic interpretations. Finally, never underestimate the power of post-processing. Even the most realistic AI output can be elevated. Use any editing software to subtly adjust contrast, saturation, and sharpness. You can add a touch of film grain for a more organic feel, or fine-tune the color balance to match your desired mood. These small adjustments are the final brushstrokes that truly make your AI art indistinguishable from reality.